The next type is error-based SQL injection attack. Let's dive deep into the error-based SQL injection. Error-based SQL injection is a technique that exploits SQL errors or error messages to extract information from the database. It's like finding hidden treasures by carefully examining the clues left behind the error responses. Let's break down the key points step by step. Error-based SQL injection involves exploiting SQL errors or error messages that the application generates. The objective of an error-based SQL injection attack is to extract information from the database by generating specific error responses. The attacker aims to leverage SQL error messages to gain insights into the database structure or retrieve sensitive data. The vulnerability lies in the lack of proper error handling or the disclosure of sensitive information in error messages. When an application exposes error details or generates specific error responses, it provides valuable hints to the attacker. And to exploit this vulnerability, the attacker injects SQL statements that trigger error or extract information from the error messages. By carefully constructing queries that intentionally cause errors or reveal sensitive data, the attacker can gather valuable information. Now let's examine the code. The vulnerable code that have lack of proper error handling. It does not sanitize or validate user input, making it vulnerable to SQL injection attack. Let's consider an example where injecting a single code without any additional modification can generate an error. It will be copied in this. The modified code will look like something this. This part of the query becomes syntactically incorrect because the closing quote is missing, causing a syntax error. The database engine interrupts it as an incomplete query and generates an error in response. The specific error message and behavior may vary depending on the database system and its configuration. Some database might display the error message on the page, log it in server logs, and handle it silently. Analyzing these error messages can provide valuable information to the attacker about the structure of the query and potentially reveal vulnerabilities. You can see that error can be something like this. We have injected a single quote in both parameters and we have got these error messages. In this error, we got table name which is user underscore data. But it does not reveal any sensitive information. But in real life, it can reveal some valuable information like database name, database IP address or database version, etc. It can be very helpful for further attacks. So this is the error-based SQL injection attack. In our next lesson, we will see another type.